Good night from Thailand. Have a look around. Wow, very spectacular. Woohoo! Look at that. I will across the street and see what's the big event down there. Let's have a look for my next reels. Okay guys, with my outstanding husband Richard Michael Robinson. Woohoo! Wow, amazing gold statue here. I love it. Here they come, the street food.
Alex got enough food. Take home.
Yeah, fantastic, right? My darling, you want to go ride a tuk-tuk with me?
Nah, let's go and check this out.
Hey, no photo, darling. Hey, dragon. Ooh, street food. Woo. Yummy. You want to try, my darling?
I'm full tomorrow night.
Hey, shrimp, chicken, 50 baht, 40 baht. That's how they make it. Another tuk-tuk, darling, with a cool lighting.
Now where to go?
Oh, wow. Choose one, darling. Whoa. The menu, check it out, darling. Above ya. Here, my darling.
Wow.
Say hello to your friend. Hello? We are from Australia.
Monday.
Night market in Bangkok, Thailand. Look at that. Good night from Bangkok, Thailand. This is the view from the window of our room at the hotel where we staying. Very spectacular. Wow. Have a look. What we got down there. Wow. Super busy over the weekend. Traffic jam, see? Amazing view. Especially that building. Wow. Good night, everyone.